Well, Viva Medicare wants to make sure you choose the right healthcare plan for you. Here with more on this is Tiffany Nabors. So thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, and so the annual enrollment period is about to end. So tell us a little bit about what people need to know about it.
Yes, as you said, it ends this Saturday, which is kind of surprising because we've been at this since October. But important to know is that this is the time for people to join, switch, or make a change to their Medicare Advantage plan for the upcoming year. We talked about it ending on Saturday, and the exciting thing is that we at Viva Medicare have an office here in Montgomery for you to stop into at any time for a no pressure conversation about what your coverage is for the next year.
Okay, very good. And who qualifies to enroll in a Medicare plan?
That's going to be individuals who are 65 and older for the most part. There are a couple exceptions for those who have disabilities, ALS, or kidney disease.
Okay, and you mentioned the Medicare and Medicare Advantage plans. So what's the difference between those?
Okay, well, Original Medicare is going to cover parts A and B. That's going to be your hospital and your medical insurance. Health coverage, but when it comes to a Medicare Advantage plan, you're going to get some little extra benefits there. It's going to also have a Part D drug coverage plan, and then depending on what the plan is, you might have things like over-the-counter allowances, access to gyms, dental coverage, and other special benefits.
Okay, very good. And are there changes for 2025 that stand out particularly that are important to know about?
There are. The good news is that the government removed the coverage gap, and they also put a out-of-pocket cap on the amount that you will pay out-of-pocket for covered drugs. And then depending on what your plan is, because plans can change from year to year, you want to check in to make sure that there aren't any other changes that will affect your doctors or your medications or what your coverage is for the next year.
Okay, very good. And with many of the options and changes, how do you know who to trust and how to choose the one that's right for you?
Well, of course, we here at Viva Medicare like to say that we treat our members like neighbors and not numbers. And so we are truly concerned that you have the coverage that you need going into the next year. Our trusted licensed agents are available to chat with you over the phone. You can pop into our website and explore some of your options. But again, as I said, you can pop into our cafe at any time, grab a cup of coffee, and get your questions answered.
Okay, and where is that located?
It's off Decker Lane in East Montgomery on Atlanta Highway. Like I said, there's no pressure to stop in and have a chat with us at any time.
All right, sounds great. Well, thank you so much for being here today. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.